Hello guys! This is Girly of Yushey Online Store. After 3 months of waiting, eto na, finally! Yay! Raffle draw na ng third giveaway ko. Celebrate ko rin ang success ng first year of Yushey Online Store. Kaya thank you so much for joining. 3,000 plus ang nag-join. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Entries. 3,062 entries. So, yung first price is Coach bag, 100% authentic and brand new from US. Second prize is Uncline watch, original din po siya, 100%. And my third prize is Yushey Dealers Pack, 5 Yushey sets plus 1 free set plus 6 pieces baby soap. Sana makahelp to sa business niyo po kapag para sa ano niya, for free. And now, I will pick the winners na. Who's the lucky winner? Oh my God!
Yeah?
Ako yung kinakabahan. Yes, okay.
3,
3, 2, 1! Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Ang first winner!
Sino yan?
Oh my! Si Sean Alojado Lozada! You're so lucky, gang! Oh my God!
Ito yung receipt niya.
Oh, she will
Ano?
receive the first prize. Yung first na na-capture is yung first prize. She's the winner of Coach Bag, 100% authentic and brand new. You're so lucky! Oh my God! Next winner! Our second prize, Uncline watch. Oh my! Who's the lucky winner? Nova Grace Iyata. I don't know her. I will contact her na lang. Oh my gosh, yung maraming nag-join. Hindi pa lumalabas yung pangalan. Okay, and who's the lucky winner for the third prize? Yushey Dealers Pack, 5 Yushey sets and 1 free set and 6 pieces BB soap. Okay. Rachel Ann Belen. Okay, I will contact you na lang po. Okay, thank you guys for joining. And yung mga maraming entries, sorry guys, hindi kayo nakuha.
Go to Yushey Online Store.
Please go to yusheyonlinestore.com for more info. I will post the video.
Okay na.
Okay, thank you guys. Till next time.